Good day, everyone. It's me again, Judith Rivera Gabales from BEd 3B. In this video, I'm going to deliver my answer about the preliminary question, Captivate, and the collaborative part in Lesson 14, Arts and Creativity. So, first is the preliminary questions. From the quote, all children are born artists, the problem is to remain as an artist as we grow up, by Picasso. So the question is, what does it mean to be born as an artist and to remain as an artist? Well, my answer is, to be born as an artist, it means that all individuals are born with innate creativity, passion, and talents towards art. On the other hand, to remain as an artist means what you are going to do to sustain that innate creativity, passion, and talents you have as an artist throughout times. The second question is, what possibilities that you will be able to remain as an artist? So, the possibilities that as an individual will be able to remain as an artist is if he or she succeeded to sustain his or her ability with arts. An individual will more likely to remain as an artist if he or she is seeing and practicing to have an optimistic view with anything that surrounds with him or her daily life. Now, let's move on to Captivate part question. This is based from the video clip. The question is, do you believe that you were born with the ability to create? My answer is yes. I believe that I was born with the ability to create because everything that we do in our daily lives, even the little things, can be called as a masterpiece. For instance, a simple walk with entering in a restaurant can be an art if you walk with grace, passion, and optimistically despite with your behind-the-scene life. And now is the last part, which is the collaborative part of Lesson 14. The first one is to recall some of the creative classroom activities that I had in school and what made them creative through a mind map. So, here is my mind map. Now, I can recall 6 of the creative classroom activities that I had back in school days. First is the think, pair, and share. It is a creative activity since it allows students to connect their ideas with their pair and having a productive interaction with the class. Second is to start the class with an icebreaker. So it is a creative way to break the students' low energy and allow them to gain and boost their energy and interest in class. It motivates students to learn and actively listen in class. Third is utilizing 3-2-1 format. It is a creative activity for students as it promotes their imagination, reflection, and metacognition to expound their ideas in a particular lesson. Fourth is poster making. It is another way of having a creative classroom activity as it enhances students to exhibit, utilize, and develop their skills in painting, drawing, and their imagination, and etc. Fifth is to celebrate hard work. It is not only creative, but rather also unique activity since only few of many teachers did this and it uplifted the students' feelings and eagerness to do more and give his or her best in class. Now the last one is using interactive learning materials. It is a creative classroom activity as it makes teaching interesting for learners to learn and it captures students' attention all the way from the beginning of the lesson till the end. Now, let's move on to the second portion of the collaborative part, which is to read various definitions of creativity and innovativeness and identifying their similarities and differences through a Venn diagram. So, here is my Venn diagram. As you can see, the difference of creativity towards innovativeness are: creativity is about bringing something into existence. It is the creation of a new idea, the ability to bring something new into existence, and it relates to ideological creation. It is like It is more like a raw material. It is either for pleasures, enjoyments, extravagance, or for solutions of any problem. It is a function of thinking, which is possessed by almost all persons. Whereas, on the other hand, the innovativeness means to bring something into use. It is the ability to change this product into some new product, new service, or the new system of production. It is the process to do new works. It is related to changing ideas into reality, and it is the vocational or technical result of creativity. It is a specific function of entrepreneurship. It is always practical, business oriented, and provider of benefits, meaning thereby that is related to making of business use of ideas. However, with all of these distinctions and differences, it has somehow built a bridge between these two to link one another through their similarity, that is, both are related to developing new knowledge, facts, and objects and making use thereof.